The process of changing to administer and operate through the medium of Welsh is a gradual one that depends on clear and assertive leadership by senior managers, on support by middle managers, and on readiness to adapt by all staff members. The starting point, more often than not, is language strategies.
As part of the Health Board, pharmacy contributes significantly to the Welsh language strategy and the Welsh language plan that the Health Board has.
There's a lot of support from the management board, the chief executive and the directors for working bilingually, and there's a lot of help for staff who don't speak Welsh, enable them to do this.
Senior managers play a crucial and important role in leading on change and promoting a positive attitude towards using the Welsh language internally. What is the role of managers in implementing these strategies?
One of their primary functions is obviously to follow the strategy of an organisation and the policies that fall out of that strategy. Without one, then, the absence of what your policy might be on this particular issue, then you really haven't got a framework to follow.
How important is leadership with regard to promoting change and moving the process of incorporating Welsh in the workplace forward?
There's quite a bit of research now that shows that the crucial role that leadership plays in facilitating bilingual workplaces and more use of Welsh. And therefore, it's most important that senior managers are either able to speak Welsh or are learning Welsh, or as a minimum send the appropriate positive signals to their bilingual staff and those who are learning Welsh, that it's acceptable and there's, if you like, permission to use Welsh at work. By doing so, staff will feel more comfortable, more confident to use Welsh with colleagues and in their everyday business and use Welsh more as a business language. And by doing so, gain greater confidence to use those Welsh language skills when dealing with the public.
Really important that the leadership comes from the top of any organisation, and we also have structures in place to make sure that we move forward with developing the use of the Welsh language both internally and externally.
Here in Natural Resources Wales, we've set up a group we call Pencampwyr Group, a champions group. There's about 30 people on that group. That group supports each other, but also supports the wider group of staff that we have here in North and Mid Wales, to help them to have the confidence to learn Welsh and to have those informal discussions that help them to develop their skills in the longer term. And they also help things like simple things like teaching them and helping them to learn how to answer the phone bilingually and how to put bilingual messages on email and things like this. Really helps us as an organisation as well.
All members of staff on every level need to be open to change and willing to realise that there is a real value to adapting methods of working in order to incorporate the Welsh language. According to Eric Williams, staff behaviour is crucial in the process of transforming bilingual procedures.
Our senior managers are obviously, they've got a central role in changing the culture of how this establishment works. That means leading from the front, really, not just being managers. They need to be leaders amongst their staff members, and that means ensuring that they're given every opportunity to use their Welsh language skills to provide a service to our customers, but also not forgetting the importance of conducting internal business through the medium of Welsh and encouraging our staff members to use the skills that they have.